Hey, good evening, everybody. How's it going? What a day. What a day. Boy, oh boy, the bulls were not letting up. Go here and we look real quick at the NASDAQ. 4-hour candles. Rocketing on the way up. 30 minutes. Still up here near session highs. We do got a point of control down here at 912. That's going to be interesting how I want to handle this tonight. S&P did the full 100% retracement, which we were talking about this morning. So fun. Let me remove some of this. Let's see. That's a pretty good rocket ship on the way up. Now we did have a large gap left behind from yesterday. Are we going to make it back down there? And if so, what's going to be a catalyst to get us back down there possibly? If we get back down there, I don't know. Don't know. So we're in a spot in the chart where I'm not really a fan of at the moment. I'm not ultra bullish after not having no pullbacks from this candle right here on the way up. But at the same time, I don't really want to be too bearish either. Hey, Adam, what's up? So I'm a little bit, I got to play a little bit close to the vest tonight. Got to be careful here. I don't want to get off on the wrong foot and then create some more issues. So we shall see. Yeah, grinding up. Yeah, but at some point we should get a pullback. If you look over here on the FVGs, we do have some FVGs down below us. We have one right here, right around just above 900. Another significant area about 850 down to about 832. So 855 to 832. Regression channel sloping upward. Came into a second deviation band. So we shall see. I am kind of curious. What do we have? Let's go look real quick. What do we have for news? Any news tonight? Gotta be careful with Japan, but the news is already out. Tomorrow we have jolts and factory orders coming out tomorrow. So, hey, the real high off music. What's up? What's going on here? There we go. There's we go. So what do you guys think? Up or down today? What's it going to be? We's going up. We going down tonight. What's it going to be? Nikkei right now is only up 87. Cosby's up 108. Big gap up there. And how the chips? Let's go look at something real quick. Trading view. Let's go look at the heat map today. Let's see how everything finished out. That. So NASDAQ. SanDisk was up. Qualcomm was up. Actually, they came back a little bit over here. No, all this was red this morning. We got quite a bit of that. We just came back to the opening price on the NASDAQ. Right back to opening price. See, they're going to smack it down. NQ going to 29K. I don't know. We weren't far from it. I'm favoring more of a pullback, but I'm a little bit nervous about it. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm a little bit nervous about that idea. So we just came all the way down from the upper deviation bands all the way down to the bottom. So it's like, how do I handle this? Can we get a little bit of pullback? I do know if I look at the ES chart, right? There's two areas on the profile I'm really focused on tonight. One, the minus development area, about 19. But then this high volume node right here, right around 12. I do like that. But we'll see if we can start coming down. I do like that for a potential trade. And if we look at the NASDAQ, what do we have on the NASDAQ? NASDAQ, we have this minus development area. What price is that? 849. Where are we at? You know what? I'm going to smack that with some micros. Yeah, I'm actually going to shoot the NASDAQ, the MNQ. I'm going to try to target this area. 849-ish. 849. I will DCA into it. Not really in at the best price. I just got in. So I'm not in at the best price, but I like it. I like it. We'll see how it shakes out. Hey, Chris, what's up? No worries. All-time highs. And we're getting close. If we look at some of the indices, let's go look. So we got YM first. YM was pretty close. YM was getting in that wick. Look, here's the wick for all-time highs. That's right there at it. Let's see RSP. Equal weight SP 500 getting pretty darn close. SPY. Pretty good push on the SPY. Look, we're up here towards the upper part of that candle body that made all-time highs. So, hey, Spaces, good evening. So I do likes it. I likes it a lot. Now what about Qs? Qs? I mean, Qs still have a ways to go. Qs still haven't filled the gap right up here on 705. And that's kind of funny. The thing about the VIX today was only down 13 cents. Given how strong the market is, that's a little bit suspect. So let's see if I can ride these micros out down towards that price point right there, right around 849-ish. Trade's already starting to work out. I'm not really in at the best price though. We already had the drop. I should have got in earlier. I just got in down here. We're in the deviation band, so I got to be careful. If we can bounce out of the deviation bands, I get a little bounce. Maybe I'll look to re-engage that for another push back lower is what I'm thinking. It's kind of what I'm thinking, but we'll see. Dump. Dump. So how'd you guys finish out today? Good, bad, indifferent, break even, blew up some accounts. How'd you all finish out today? Big cycle low completes after Wednesday. Just lost. Oh, man. That stinks. Lost the payout. Hey, so I still didn't. It's probably me being stupid, but I did not request my payout tonight in Tradify. I was going to. Then I started thinking after the split, I was like, I need a little bit more. Hopefully this isn't going to be the, I wish I would have just taken it, but we'll see. We will see. How's it all going to shake out? Bad call. What's a bad call? Hopefully not my trade. Hopefully not my trade that I'm in right here. Going to 849. So I'm going to try to get out at. Those micros I just put on while we're on stream. I don't like that we're at the third deviation band. It's making me a little bit nervous. I still think we want that minus development area, but you know, I'm a little bit nervous. We'll see if we make it down there. Three more funded lucid, or three more lucid. Nice. Yeah, I ended up trading this afternoon a little bit. Traded a little bit this afternoon. Trying to get back to equity highs. Had to bail on my micro trade from this morning. Took a little bit of a loss on that. Got it back with some minis though, so. Thought we'd get a little bit of a pullback this morning. No pullbacks allowed. Yeah, no activation fee with code Mike for sure. Hey Raj, what's up? Good evening. Hey Raj, you see this? Band to band. Second deviation band plus all the way down to the third. I really like this. I really think we can go probably lower, but I want to go ahead and take this, proceed cautiously. We pull a fib from the low to the high, 38% retracements down here at 724. On the ES, let's see that. Low. That's going to be about 7601, which is right there at the 38% retracement as well. I trade my personal money every day. Every day. I trade prop accounts and my personal accounts every day. There's not a day that goes by. I bet you since I started trading back in 05, I bet you there's less than 20 days since 05 I didn't place a trade in my personal account. I don't even think it's 20, but I've always been involved in the markets. Yeah, we have AMD earnings tomorrow. That's true. Who else is coming out with earnings tomorrow? AMD, SpaceX. McDonald's before the bell. Caterpillar, Pfizer. SanDisk on Wednesday. Western Digital. We have Elf. How did Palantir do after hours? How did Palantir do? I don't recommend brokers. I have more than one broker though. Just in case your broker goes out of business, you need to be able to keep trading the very next day. I learned that from when MF Global went out of business or got shut down back during the 08-09 crisis. So one of them I don't trade with as much, but let's go look. PLTR. Wow, Palantir is up 14%. Nice. What about Snap? Snap had earnings. Oh, that's up 6.31%. Is the pullback over? Deposit Ninja last Friday. Hey, so did you deposit through wire or ACH? If you deposit through wire, it should be quicker. Oh, debit? Yeah, it's going to probably take a few days. Debit's probably 5 days. 5 to 7 days. Hey, does Ninja allow you to deposit on a credit card? I can't remember. That's dangerous if they allow people to do that. Danger. So. I don't know, Chris. Everybody I've talked to that's used ACH has taken roughly 5 days. Oh, Google Wallet or Apple Pay? Yeah, I don't know. Let's see if we're going to break these lows. Again, I'm still in the micros. Micros up about, $95. Oh, that's good. Credit cards are kind of risky, in my opinion. They don't want no chargebacks when they lose their money. Someone deposits some money into the bank or into the account, full ports, blows it up, tells the credit card, hey, that wasn't me. They duped me. I need a chargeback. Yeah, just debit cards. $28,891. Hey, Raj, I'm trying to go down to 49 on the micros. I'm trying to play that minus development area right here on the profile, that low volume node area right there. Pink. Around 49. And again, the 38% retracement is much lower at 724. So I'm being conservative with that play. I hope so, Raj. My micros I put on this morning didn't pan out for me. So my morning trades I put on did not work out. I ended up taking a loss on them. Good thing I didn't get aggressive on adding to them. That would have sucked. I think I only had 2 on one and 3 on the other. Really not wanting to give it up here. The market's trying to fight. I need them to drop it. Oh, look, Nikkei is giving it up now. Nikkei gapped up. Bing, down 240. Kospi gapped up. And now it's only up 45. Ooh, let's get this pullback underway. Hey, Hot White Boy, what's up? Come on, they need to drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Please. Pretty please. Sugar on top. So we'll see how it's all going to shake out. Kind of curious how the HSI is going to open up tonight. If that yen doesn't get its act together, our markets could be in trouble. Trouble. Yeah, no, hey, gap was not filled. I told you guys last night, I did not think the gap would fill last night. I said maybe today, but I wasn't even that optimistic about today. I was thinking more like Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe Thursday. Hey, Mike Albright, what's up? But if we can fill it, if we don't fill it by Thursday's close at 5 p.m., it's going to probably be a couple weeks before we come back and fill the gap. So I would prefer now to see the market go ahead, pull back. Let's go down there and fill the gap and then go ahead and run it on up. What was the range today? NASDAQ 650 point range. And that doesn't really include the gap though. About 679. What about ES? About 133 point range on the ES. That's pretty good. It's a pretty big range. Didn't survive day one. Oh man, that sucks. You just got your first payout approved from Apex. Yeah, it'll probably be at least 5 days before you see the money in your bank. Say 5 to 10 business days before the money's in your bank. Come on, let's get it. Get it, please. I want to see us break it. I'm trying for 849-ish on the micro exit. 849. No, hey, Chris, the NQ did not fill the gap. I'll do it on this chart. So if you look, the true gap fill would have been right here. I'll draw a horizontal line. So you can see we came down close to it today. But that wick did not make it all the way down there. We got within the candle, but we did not make it all the way to the closing price. So there's still open gap. And the ES was not even close. So here's the gap fill on the ES. The lowest we got was right here. So still a pretty large gap there. Or are we going to go ahead and run up, maybe make all-time highs, then come back and take out these gaps in a few weeks? Well, hey, Apex used to take a long time to approve the payout. They got faster. They approved the payouts a lot quicker, but getting the money to you, it takes a little bit longer than some of the other prop firms. Like TPT, when I request a payout from there, from when I go to transfer it from the wallet to my bank, before I can open up my bank app, it's already in there. So I request it, go to the bank app, money's already there. My Funded Futures is stupid fast. By the time you request it to the money's in Rise, I mean, the whole process is maybe 5 minutes. Say 10 minutes on a bad day, and it's money's in the bank. That's from requesting the payout to the money hitting the bank. It's pretty fast. You know, but that's what competition does. It makes it a better experience for the end user. So Perdia is not as fast as MFF or TPT, but only 48 hours maybe ish. Let's go. Let's go. Push, push, push. I need us to break that low. I need a 50-point sweep through that low. Just sweep it. Just. I do want to pull something up real quick. Remember I said 49. If we get down to 49, I'm going to take profits. 49, I'm taking profits. Let's go. I want to go see where some of the gamma's at. I'm up about 140 on that trade. Let's see what we have for some of this gamma exposure. What the heck? There we go. Oh yeah, look right there, 29,000. Oh no, no wonder we're having a hard time pushing through that. Coming right back to that 135. To the downside, I don't know if we make it all the way back down here, but put supports way down here at 28,000. That's 1,000-point difference. Yikes. That's huge. Something to think about for sure. Well, Lucid, I blew up. I had my payout. All I had to do was request a payout. I had it like that for a month. And right before I started trading like crap, I was up in Lucid. Boom. I was just trying. All I needed was a little bit more, a couple more $100. That way I could request max payout and keep all my drawdown. I freaking blew it up. Stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Hey, crap happens though. So I haven't been paid out from Lucid. I've been paid out from all the other firms though. And Lucid, I was at payout. I didn't take it. I was trying to get more, trying to build up more of a buffer. Stupid. I should have just taken it, which kind of is giving me, you know, flashbacks of what I'm doing right now with Tradeify. I think right now I could take $13,000 or $14,000 payout from Tradeify across all 5 accounts. No, totaling with using all 5 accounts, not per account. I'm trying to get just a little bit more so I can make it a nice even number. And that might end up causing me problems. It might be a mistake, but we'll see. Hopefully not. Let's get it. So what do we make it down to? Made it down to 88. So I need about another 40 points lower on my M&Q. So let's see it. But I have heard Lucid's fast on the payouts. I just can't tell you that I've participated in any of that. So here we go, 145 on that. Trying for, again, 849-ish. That's what I'm trying for. 849. I do like that delta divergence we had right there. You can see right there, price went lower. And look at the delta. Not even close. Not even close. Yeah, I mean, I believe you, Mike. I mean, and I knew it when I did it, but So I went on a 2-month just struggling streak. Like I was having a hard time. And it's the same market condition that gets me every time. If we go look, it was in this stupid crap right there when we just kept going up, no pullback. That kind of crap will get me. I mean, no pullbacks is friggin' ridiculous. And this is where I struggled and I ended up blowing up my friggin' Lucid account. Dumb. When I talked to Jesse this afternoon after the stream, I think I talked to him before I went to the doctor's. He was doing good. I think he had $400 and something he had made only trading one micro today. So now he was up to like $600 drawdown or something. He said 6 something. Now what he did after that, hopefully he didn't do any more trades. I don't know. I don't know what he did. If he did, hopefully he made more money. But maybe he'll join us tonight. We can hear his story. Hopefully it's a good one. Hopefully it's a story where he did great. Got all the monies back. There we go. Getting a little bit nervous being down here in these bands. Not gonna lie, I'm getting a little bit nervous being in those bands. See it right down here. I don't want to go lower, man. I'm thinking about peeling that off. 2 micros make $200. Peel one off. I'm out. I'm just gonna close it. Close it. Thank you very much. Yeah, it wasn't too bad of a trade. So I got in right here on the stream, wrote it down there real quick. I'll take it. I will take it. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. Thank you. Thank you. Got a bubble down there. Oh, I didn't get it. Oh, BK. I wonder if my, I wonder if I reset Ninja. I might not have. Yep, I got the wrong setting. That means I got to change the ES too. I didn't get a bubble down there, BK. You hate summer markets? I just hate one directional markets. I don't care what season it is. There's one directional markets, my kryptonite. Hate them. Oh, on the ES? ES, I gotta change my bubble size too. We're down there in the bands also. My screen's so freaking big. Come on. There we go. Oh yeah, I didn't reset my Ninja beforehand. All right. We did come into being short-term oversold. I still like this area. Let's like see if we can get a little bounce first. A little bounce, I'll re-engage for a trade down here. I just don't like how we're down here in these bands. So I'd rather just proceed with caution. And don't do anything too crazy. Man, I hope I didn't start getting sick from going to the doctors. All those darn sick people in there. Jokers. I feel like I'm starting to get a sore throat. Out if it goes lower. Hey, Raj, you got in for the long? Is that the way I read that? You went long? Nice. On the ES or the NASDAQ? Probably NASDAQ. Yeah, NQ. We do have a 9 count down here. Regression channel is angled down pretty steep. Then I'll wait till I can flatten out here a little bit first. Don't let it bounce. It's bouncing. Hmm. Let's see. Now, do we pull back a little bit overnight and then smack it? Wow, look at Nikkei. Nikkei is getting smacked. Nikkei is down 534 points. Hey, Cosby is down now too. 29,783 to 27,831. Wow, 27. Holy crap, Raj. Holy smokes. ES has bounced up pretty good where the NASDAQ has not. So look, there's the NASDAQ. Look at the ES. ES is ripping right off those bands. Back into the middle in between the two bands right now. NASDAQ's not having no part of it. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Oh, it's just a different stock. So it's probably the chip stocks weakening once again. And the only reason why I say that is when we come over and look at the Cosby, it's, chip stocks heavily influenced that, and it's down tonight. Gapped up, wanting to come down. And the Nikkei. Nikkei's down 700 points. And Nikkei could be a little black swan for us too, if the yen gets carried away. Let's see. Are we gonna go down and break the lows again? And again, I want to look for another short, but I need to see a bounce first. I need to see a bounce. I'll probably play it with some micros again. See if I can smack it. First one was 2 micros, a little over 200 bucks on that trade. So I'm gonna be patient, see if we can get a little bit of a bounce and then maybe smack it. It's 841 right now. Where is the Dow at? Dow's at 120. So NASDAQ's only one of the indices, only one of the 4 indices in the red. So I want to look for, I still like those targets. I need to bounce up first. I'm not going to chase it now. It's probably going to go right down to 849 right now without getting a bounce. Just to poke at me, to try to get me all sides on the trade. Why did Bookmap do this again? I found an easier way to fix it. There we go. All right, new lows on the NASDAQ. New lows. Yeah, it's going back to VWAP. Yeah, and Q did not. I know. Drastically different. He just had a pretty big rip off that down here. Look, we do have that big FEG down here. We might be working our way down towards. So. Gold, yeah, I wasn't even watching gold tonight. Gold everywhere. Oh, gold's up 21. So look at gold real quick. Let's see, GC. Oh yeah, nice little rip up there. I'm assuming. Let's see where we are in the bands. Oh, yeah, gold got right up there and smacked right back down. Right back down to the VWAP. Sons of a gun. Maybe they got that one. Good trade. Good job. Hesitate on the long. I was long, but then I gave up some of my profits on the micros. I shorted the MNQ and the MES, and I think one of them I had 2 contracts, the other one I had 3. So then I traded a little bit after the doctor's appointment. Got back some of that loss I lost on those. I don't know if I got it all back or not. It's probably pretty close. Oh, hey, Jay Loves, what's up? What's up? Hey, I mean, that's life. We do appreciate the time that you do spend with us, though. They're trying to get the NASDAQ back in the green. So Raj's trade. Hey, Raj, are you in the green yet? Raj is like, let's go. If you guys haven't yet, speaking of, don't forget to smash that lucky like button. Now I want to go take some medicine real quick. I think I'm going to. So give me a moment. I'm gonna let my assistant step in for a minute. I'm gonna go take some medicine real quick. I feel like I'm getting sick, probably from the stupid doctor's office. Going there with all the sick people, which I'd be kind of quick for a cold already setting in. But so give me a moment. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go take some medicine. Give me a second. All right, what did I miss? What did my assistant do? Any trades? That joker. I'm gonna have to fire him if he doesn't start making me some money. There we have Joel Samara. Hey, don't forget, after the bell. After the bell. What is SpaceX going to do? Are they going to beat? Is the stock going to soar? Is it going to dip? I don't know. We're going to find out. We's going to find out. SpaceX about to go sub 100? I don't know. We shall see. Eat raw garlic? Man, I don't know if I can do it. I'm a picky eater. All right, NASDAQ's getting a nice little lift here. NASDAQ back in the green. Let's go check on the overseas real quick. Overseas. And Nikkei's trying to bounce. Possibly maybe a little bit trying to bounce. Huh. If we can go up enough, I'm going to smack it. We still didn't hit that 49. So 49 made the 64. Target's going to be 49 right near that volume profile area right here. Boop. So I'm waiting to see, can we bounce up a little bit more so I can smack it back down? And we'll see how that shakes out. Maybe good, bad, indifferent. We'll find out. Yeah, trades balance. Oh, where'd that screen go? Interesting. I just lost the screen. Huh. I don't know where it's at. Probably hiding behind something somewhere. So I'm watching. I'm kind of seeing if we're going to bounce back up to this VWAP right here. We bounce up to the VWAP and then reject back down. Hopefully. I wonder what price I got out at. Let me see. So we're higher than where I exited the short. We got out somewhere around 78. So maybe I'll get back in. I'll go short one and wait for it to bounce up and put the second one on. Just in case we don't get a big bounce. I got some skin in the game. Haven't done it yet. Hopefully though. So we'll see. What's oil doing? Oil's up 40 cents. So I should go look at oil real quick. Good old Earl. Man, oil's been on the move. So oil had that big gap down, kind of put in a little bottom, trying to come up here towards gap resistance. Then maybe start getting into that gap. We shall see. 1 hour pause. So again, we just gotta hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. Can we get on up there? Get on up there so I can smack it back down. It was cold in here. Now I'm sitting here freezing. Oh, my AC got turned down in the office. They're still trying to rip up here a little bit on the NASDAQ. Hey, Raj, what's your target to the upside? What is your target? We have VWAP right there, right around 930. VWAP? All right. Oh, daily open's also up there too? Let's see if they get it. Hey, Raj, we get up there, I might start my short position. That's what I'm thinking. Up there on VWAP, I might start it. On the micros. Maybe. Gotta be careful though. Sometimes we have that big push up. And then the next day is what? Nothing more than a consolidation. Probe a little bit higher, probe a little bit lower. So I want to be careful about that. I don't want to get caught on the wrong side of that. I'm still trying to push up here. We have the yes pushing back up as well. Yes is ripping right back up here. Maybe all the way, you know, from the lower band all the way up here to the upper deviation bands. That's going to be funny. We're not making it to FEG down here. We have one above us too. Yeah, ES doing better than NASDAQ tonight. For sure. I want to see them all get a nice little pullback. Pull back and then give me a shot to go long again. I'm using the one from Affordable Indicators. There's a link for it in the description box down below if you want to check them out. Oh, don't go down yet. Don't go down yet. I need to get a shot. I want to take another swing at this. All right, F it. I put 1 micro on. I'm afraid I'm going to miss it. So I moved down to 49. I just put 1 micro on. FOMO'd into it. Again, trying to go to 49. I got impatient. I got scared I was going to miss it. So I at least got a placeholder in. So I'm trying to play off here in case you guys were not on the stream. I'm trying to play towards this little low volume node area. All right, 850 to 849, somewhere in that ballpark. Pull back to jump in on the ES. Well, if we look at the range from today. All right, 38% retracements down here at 7602. Wouldn't mind that. I do think the ES is going to make it. If you're looking for targets to short it, 7619, good target location. Then maybe even all the way down here at 7593. Then below that, I like to play that structure breakout point and see if we make it all the way down there for a potential target. Then if we get down that low, you know, we really want to start thinking about, is that going to be the run down towards filling that gap? Could be. That'd be pretty beast. Pretty beast mode. Oh, wow. Well, hey, I only place 1 trade at a time to try to limit the likelihood of something like that happening. All right, NASDAQ's trying to pull back here a bit. Let's see. We're just going to pick them apart tonight with the micros. About a whopping 20 bucks on this one. Again, we pop up. I'm going to look to add to this. Only got 1 on. I FOMO'd into it. I don't like the entry. I still think that 49 is going to get hit. So the one from Affordable Indicators has a feature on there that looks for ghost orders. And it'll time out and try to close it out without putting you in an opposite position. Now, any software is never going to be perfect. There's always a chance of having bugs with any software. And Ninja Trader has its fair share of bugs. Like any piece of software. I will say though, I'm really liking this monitor. I didn't get a chance to get the second one hooked up. I started again. I started moving charts over. I was like, I don't got time to fix the stream to get the OBS all set up how I needed it. So upset. So upset. But it's all good. Let's see. Are they going to push it? I'm up about 36. Yeah. Hey, Raj. So the 3080, I did have, when I have it hooked up, it works just fine. I'm running on both at 120 hertz, not the 240. I don't know if it'll handle 240 hertz, but the 120 hertz, I can run on both. Because the monitors can do 240. But yeah, it might be able to. I was just a little bit nervous about it. I didn't want to be in a trade and something happens. You're on 249s? Oh, okay. Nice. Hey, you run the same type of monitor, Raj, or do you got a TV? 249-inch TVs. It really is nice, Tom. Like I got the 57-inch. No, I don't get a lot of lag. These monitors have less lag than the TV did. No, ultra wide. Yeah, that's what I got too. Ultra wide, 1000 curve. That's what this one is. It's nice. Like you feel immersed into it. Like I can really see the edges really well. Like it's pretty good. Yeah, I'm using display ports too. Well, that's not true. The one up there at the top will be hooked up with the display port. I still got to reroute the cable for display port for the bottom one. But I think tomorrow when the stream's over, I'm going to take my computer all the way out and go take it out, take it apart, blow it all out. I want to wait till I'm done trading to do that. Just in case. All right, new lows. New lows on the NASDAQ. This is going to stink if I only get one micro all the way down to 49. I'm trying to get out at 49. And again, if you guys weren't here, I'm trying to target this low volume node right here. Took one shot at it, made 200 and something. The two contracts. Got out, bounced up, and got back in. Only got back in with one contract. Yeah, hey, Raj, that's what I was telling my friend. So I was on the phone with my friend this afternoon. I was like, he goes, well, I don't want to have to swivel my head. I was like, I'm telling you, I can look straight ahead and I can see everything. I'm not doing like this and trying to look way over there. It's nice. It really is. I like it a lot. I wasn't sure how I was going to like it, but I'm really, really liking it. So I can't wait to get rid of the 232-inch monitors. I want to hurry and get rid of them. But I got to get everything set up first. If that darn cable would have came in earlier, I would have had it all set up this weekend. OLED 50-inch and curved monitors. Yeah. Hey, JD, or I'm sorry, dollars. Hey, mine stacked up like this on top of each other. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Hey, Raj, I did notice that with the TV, I did have a lot of eye strain. So I'm hoping these are going to help too. I do feel a lot better in terms of eye strain with my eyes, but we'll see over the longevity of it. That holds true. Yeah, I haven't noticed any eye strain with these monitors either. Like I like them a lot, a whole lot. The text is a lot crisper than the TV I was using. The TV was 8K. So your eyes are killing you. Yeah, the TV was a little rough on the eyes. I had the brightness turned down. These monitors get pretty bright too. I got them dimmed down, but they get pretty bright. But hey Tris, what's up? All right, looking for, ooh, we got it. Hey, there's 40. We got the 49. Let's see if we can get a little bit more, maybe. See if I get a nice $100 on this. We hit the target I was looking for. Fingers on the close button. I say, Mike, your hand isn't over there on the buttons. It's on the hotkey. So I see 100. I'm getting out. Come on. Come on. Come on. A little bit more. Get it. Out. Thank you. Out. That's pretty good with the micros tonight. That's about 100 points on the NASDAQ I've gotten tonight with the micros. The first one I had 2 micros on. That one only had 1. I FOMO'd in the entry. It looks like that was actually a good idea for FOMOing in. Yeah, I didn't do it the full size I wanted, but at least I got a little piece of it. But again, just looking to target, very high probability target that low volume node. We're probably coming down to at least a 38% retracement. ES is starting to give it up. Back down at the bands. Hey, Captain Rex, what's up? Yeah, stopped out. Yeah, it happens. We all have losing trades. That is a fact. Anybody says they don't lose, they don't trade. You will have losing trades. And it doesn't really bother me anymore losing trades. I mean, it gets frustrating sometimes, but we just come to accept it. It's just part of it. Just part of it. I don't like it, but I don't let it affect me as much as it used to when I was younger. All right, we got a 9 count right down here. We're trying to get above that bubble. Let's see, we got short-term oversold. Do we have delta divergence? Look at the delta. Crazy delta divergence. Just smacked it. I was too busy trying to close out that short. Hey, Raj, really the only thing we can control is where we, the position size that we put on. We can't control anything else other than our position size. We can say we want to get out here, but could get slipped on the exit, get slipped on the entry. I told you the worst slippage I ever had. I've said this on stream. I was stalking a trade all day long at work. I lost track of what time it was. I walked away, went to parts counter, something came back, and I was like, oh, that's the candle I wanted. I didn't realize I had flipped to a 1-minute chart, and I was stalking it on the 5 to 15-minute chart all day long. Bam, smacked it, went order filled. It's like, what is that? I was like, I don't see a trade on. And it shows I lost like, I don't know, $800 or $900 on that trade. It was like order filled that quick. And I looked at it. I said, oh, something's messed up with the Wi-Fi at work. I went home, looked at it. I was like, son of a gun, my trade's gone. Called the trade desk. They said, well, you got, so look, hey, on the chart, here's the candle. My order got filled way above it. And then I got stopped out way below the candle. Price had never even been there. But yet I got filled on both of those orders somehow. Get out of here with that mess. God, that was so ridiculous. So ridiculous. And when I looked at the timestamps, it was the same second I was filled and then stopped out. Oh, I got slipped so bad. So bad on it. What should have been, so if I was wrong on that trade, I think I should have lost max $200. I lost $800 or $900 for, I didn't get no entertainment value out of it. It's the same second. I mean, to be fair, I didn't realize it was 5 o'clock. It was right there in rollover in the Forex market. So, but no, I still traded with them for a while. And then I switched over to FXCM. And I actually did better with FXCM. I made more money with FXCM than any other Forex broker. Then they got banned out of the US. Oh, man. And then when they got banned, they transferred my account to Owanda. I looked, I was like, man, the spreads are way too high. Placed one trade. I was like, forget this mess. Closed out my account, and then from that point on, just focused on futures, didn't trade no more Forex. So I'm done with that mess. I haven't traded Forex since then, actually. That was the last time I traded Forex. Now, I've traded currency futures. I was trading a lot of the 6E, 6B, and 6C for a little bit. Even 6J I traded a couple times. Where is that? And that's all currency future markets, in case you guys are wondering. I think we got a report card. Let's go see. Dollars, I think, sent me a report card. Nice. Starting to wonder if you get any losing trades. So here we're gonna look at the stats, guys. These are really good stats. All right, $755 profit, but more importantly, look at the profit factor. 8.7. Only 69% win-loss ratio. I say only, that's still really good. Let's see, average win versus average losing trade. Average win, $94. Average losing trade, $24. Largest win, 124 versus largest losing trade, $30. Man, hats off. Those are banger stats. Man, that's great. That is awesome. Yeah, those are really good numbers, Raj. And I say, oh, he only made $700. Yeah, in the long run, though, that's good stats. Keep those stats up. You do very well. Or at least you put yourself in a position to do very well. So. A lot of people focus too much on the win-loss ratio. That doesn't mean nothing. You know, most people that have super high win-loss ratios have a negative R to R on their trade, meaning they risk way more than what they make. Done by consistency rules. And we're trying to rip right back up. Hey, look at the ES. Once again, the ES was the stronger on the pullback, on the rip back up. Look, ES right back to the bands with a trade detector bubble, rockets up. I don't take the trade. I didn't see it when we were down there. I was too focused on the NASDAQ. Unfortunately. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Is what it is. Is what it is. Not what it's not. Yeah, $600 to $800 each session. Hey, dollars. That really is good, though. Like, when you try to pick up the bat and swing for a home run every time, you're going to strike out. Just try to get on base. In the day green. Yeah, actually, Jay Love. So here's what a lot of people don't. Here, I'm going to do a poll real quick. Just so we can see people vote. They do it unanimously. All right, what percentage is needed to be profitable using a 2-to-1 reward the risk ratio? So I'm going to change that one real quick. And all right, let's see what you guys think. Meaning that when you're right, you're going to make $1. When you're wrong, you lose 50 cents. Or when you're right, you make $2. You're wrong, you lose $1. See what you guys say. I'm kind of curious. Yep. Now we're trying to rip up here. Yeah, 2-to-1. If you ever map it out on a spreadsheet, you'd be amazed. It's just a matter of putting more trades through the system. Of course, you'll have runs where you have, 10 losing trades in a row. But the bigger the sample size, you'll see it will average out where it should be. Short 896. Holding to 817. Let's get it. Let's see, 817. Let's look on the profile real quick. 817. You have another low volume node area. Not as good as it was over here, but I actually like this as a potential target too. Around 786. Hey, real estate, what's up? Yeah, chop chop. I've done pretty good so far. I had 2 trades on the M&Q on stream. Bang that out real quick. One was good for 100 points. No, one was good for 50 points. Just over 50. The other one was good for about 50. Yeah, base hits. Hey, base hits is where it's at for sure. Base hits. $3,000 payout. Nice. I will see tomorrow if I made a mistake by not taking my Tradeify payout. I've been eligible for a little bit. I've been trying to build up a little bit more. Might be a problem. Call you Pete Rose. Again, we saw that large gaping gap left behind from Sunday night. We'll see if we're going to try to go down there and fill it this week or not. Yeah, we should fill it by Thursday by 5 o'clock. If not, probably be a few weeks before we make it back down there. So oil's up 43 cents tonight. Gold's up 13. Again, I'm looking for a little bit more of a pullback so I can get short again. I want to see a little bit more of a lift up. Yeah, HSI is going to open here in about 14 minutes. Let's go back and check on the Nikkei. Nikkei was down last time we checked. And Nikkei's down 621. Kospi's down 117. If we continue higher, probably right back to session highs for sure. But we have a point of control up here on the weekly. We have 2 on the NASDAQ. One up here at 313. The other one at 677. I just feel like we need a little bit of a pullback here. A little bit of a pullback. We'll see if we get it. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. We'll see. Can't seem to get above the 9 EMA on the 5. Quick 25 points. Nice. Good job on that. I don't like that the ES isn't as weak on the pullbacks as the NASDAQ. That has me a little bit concerned on the looking for more sells. I still want to play NASDAQ for a little bit lower price. But I don't want to get too crazy with it either. So it's kind of like, eh. One-way slow market. Oh boy. I don't like the one-way markets. We had a pretty good one-way market today. I normally don't like those markets. I got my micros today too. But New York afternoon was so annoying. Yeah, I was trying to play get it back. Gotta get it back. So. And I just need to rest. Hey, JD, have a good night. Look for any liquidity. We have a little bit of liquidity up here at 29. Nah, that's not really. I don't see any liquidity in my near vision on the NASDAQ. Yes, has a little bit at 76.47, 50, and 52-ish. NASDAQ's trying to lift up here. Got a little ABC pattern trying to form here. All right, we break above here. Might have a little ABC pattern up. Let's see if we can draw that out real quick before it completes. All right, we break. Oh, we did break it. So what is that? 897 would be the target. 897 to the upside is the target. Invalidation point of the pattern would be right down here at about 850. So 850 invalidates the pattern. 897 is the target. Bomb tick covering your short. Man, good job on that. Hey, don't tempt the market. The market's going to try to get their money back. Be careful. All right, let's go double check. Cosby's down 106. Nikkei's down 788. That NASDAQ trying to rip up. Yes. Yes, trying to rip up towards session highs. It looks like we're going to probably get that target 897, which I'm going to get 0 of it. 0. Come on, push it. Push it. I'm not in it, but I still like to see that target hit. Then we got VWAP up here. Where's the VWAP at? Right about 913. Come on, just go up a little bit more. Please, please, please. HSI is going to be opening up here in about 9 minutes. 8 to 9 minutes. All right, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and close out that poll. So chat did get it right. It's about 34%. So the 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio, if you're right 34% of the time, your head will be above the water, not count commissions. Not by a lot, but you will be above water. Needs to just hurt and get up there. Get up there. We're going on bar number 5 right now of the 9 count. So look, this 9 count right here produced a nice little bounce. This one produced a bounce. That one got ran right over. Yeah, New York is fun. I agree. Sweet spot at 9, probably 8 to 10 at night. Sometimes right at 10, you get a little bit of action. Then you get a little bit more of a blip somewhere around 12 o'clock. Typically. Dang it, we have not hit the target yet. 897 is the target. Needs to get it. Hit the target. It's tempting me just a friggin' short one contract on it. It's tempting me. Hey, Tom, I have the Samsung Odyssey. I'm loving it right now. So I went short 1 micro. Kind of a FOMO-ish entry, especially since we didn't hit the 100% level yet. But this time I'm going to shoot for this one all the way down. I'll hold this overnight if needed. Down here towards 787. What's the low here? All right. So 787. Let's get it. I am down. I only got 1 micro. I'm going to get multiple of these micros on, but to start out, only got 1. It's kind of a FOMO entry. So down 350 on it. I'd love to see a quick flush. I just don't think we're going to get it. I don't think it's going to be quick. I think we're going to hang out here for a while. HSI opens up in about 5 minutes. So we'll see. We'll see how it's all going to shake out. Yeah, so I can normally look at a chart in just a few seconds and know, do I want to be a buyer or seller? Doesn't mean I'm right, but I can just glance and kind of be and already know what I want to do. I don't have to sit there and study. If you do, you're probably gonna get it wrong in the heat of the moment. Kind of what Raj is saying. They need to smack it real good. Yeah, Raj, I think it's funny when people say, oh, you shouldn't listen to your intuition. You just got to rely on whatever the charts are saying. But I'm telling you that my intuition is right quite a bit. I'm usually a little bit early too. I can spot it a little bit early. I just need to figure out how to see it and then act on it a little bit later. Yeah, our mind is the factor that causes us to lose more money. All right, BK 787 is high volume node right there. See, price can make it down there, and I still think at some point we're gonna come down to 38% retracement, which that high volume node is above that price point. So I likes it. Doesn't mean I'm right, but I do like it. Where's this ES at? ES is trying to get up here towards the bands again. Not quite there. We still have not hit the ABC target yet. Here at 897. Just barely missed it. Got a little bit more to go. Yeah, hey BK, that's not a problem. Hey BK, you've been pretty good at spotting the key points on the chart. I've noticed that recently in the chat. Yeah, your mind can play tricks on you. Well, let's see. One more point. One more point, and we'll have the ABC target completed. I got 0 of it, unfortunately. But hey, that's how it shakes out sometimes. All right, there you go. ABC target completed. I'm going to go ahead and remove the drawing objects. Targets would have been filled had I taken the trade, but instead I decided to be a spectator. So we do have Dow at 134. HSI is getting ready to open. Let's see if we can pull that up real quick. The HSI looks like it's going to gap up here. It's about to open. Go sell 3 micros. Hey, Raj, back on the M&Q or the MES? M&Q. I got one short right now in the M&Q, down $30, which isn't much. I mean, it can get ugly, but it's just not there yet. All right, there you go. HSI is open. It's up 84 points. Kospi's come back a little bit, only down 67. And Nikkei is still down 657. So take a look at ES. ES is back, excuse me, back in the bands. Coming up on the View app right here. Let's see if we're going to overthrow it or get smacked back down. I think ES just made new session highs. I can't tell. I think ES new session highs. Here's NASDAQ taking over the View app. Smoking it. Up 9.25 points. Look for the daily open. How much higher is that? Yeah, not too much. 930-ish. I'm going to smack another micro on that. Well, I'm 2 micros deep now. 2 deep. I'm getting ready to short this too. I'm getting ready to short the NQ. Gonna get a quick little scalp. I think that Delta sucked me in on that one. See the Delta divergence we had? Kind of might have sucked me in on a bad trade. There's this little consolidation up here and still making higher lows. So hopefully I get my 5 points. Get my 5 points and run. Get my 5 points and run. There we go. There we goes. All right. Thank you, Mr. NASDAQ. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Just that 5-minute FEG. Now we're not that far away. You talking about the bigger one up here? So that's 932 up here to about 948. And we had a hard time with that call resistance today. All right. Came out there, boop, smacked it down. But this is still the 1-day max from the prior day. But if we look, yeah, dang it. I hate when they do that. If we look right here at 29,000, we have a lot of gamma exposure. That's where that call resistance is. Pull back 750. Hey, what was that volume profile level? 750, we have a little bit of gamma being built out. 750. 750. What was that level? 750. 785 is that high volume node area. So that would be enough to front run that gamma level. Interesting. See, we're gonna come down to that 200 EMA now, right down here. I'm not trading it. I'm in 2 micros right now still. Down $42, $30. So you can push on down. Push it on down. Yes, wicked all the way up to a third deviation band. So yes, actually spiked just above that third band. It came right down to the EMAs. Bink. Right back up. Let's go back over and check the overseas. And Nikkei is trying to come back, only down 423. HSI is up 94. Cosby's only down 23. Might look for a little breakout here. Dog, they gotta be a horrible fill there. Horrible fill. Working on bar number 9 too in the 1 minute. There we go. There we go. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. I appreciate you. We're working on bar number 9, so we gotta be careful here. Be careful. In the 5 minute, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we had the 7th consecutive 5 minute candle up. Assuming it closes up. Candle just started. Candle just started. So we have a little bit of time. 9 count on the 1 minute. 9 count down there fired off pretty darn good. We did get back to opening price. Out of all the micros. Hey, good shot on that one, Raj. Good trade. Good, good, good. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to boop that like button. See if we get 6 more likes. Bring us a nice round 100 number. Can we get it? Can you all do it? Can you do it? I like that 9 count. It just didn't get in. We had the lower high right here. We could have played the break of that structure right there. Or a quick little pop down to EMA. I didn't take it. Oh, congrats, you guys. Did get us to 100 likes. Trapped in a short. I got 2 micros on at the moment. Short. I'll put my targets in before I go to bed if I'm not out before that. This is my 3rd micro trade of the night. The other 2 were successful, about 50 points a piece. So. I don't see any liquidity really driving the market. See a little bit more liquidity I'm interested in on the. I can't pull that. The button doesn't work. But over here, my eyes keep gravitating towards the liquidity down here. It's not a whole lot, but 102 contracts at 76.12. And if you look, 76.12, let's look at why that's significant. $76.12. Feel like that's right here where that high volume node is right there. Bam. We'll see if we're going to be able to make it down there. Maybe we do. Maybe we do not. So. Oh, you're short before the 7 green candles? Oh, man. No, it just ain't right. I hate when we just grind all day one direction. Thankfully, I did good last night, and even this morning, I was good. What got me this afternoon was my micros from later in the morning, but it wasn't that big of a hit. I took a little hit on them. I got most of it, if not all of it, back with some minis. So wasn't that big of a deal. Thankfully, I didn't DCA into them like I originally planned. That would have been a problem. That would not have been good. Hey, Daryl, are you still short? Or did you get out? Oh, now trapped. Yeah, you're still in them. I still think we're going back down there, Daryl. I don't know how much higher we go first, but I think we are going back down there. So I'm in 2 shorts. I'm a little bit better spot than you. I'm short from up here, so I'm down 25 bucks. I scaled into them, so my first entry was even worse. But I don't mind it because I do think there's a good shot. We're coming towards this area. Then we have a GEX level at 50, and then we have the 38% retracement down here at 724. And the target, I'm going to probably front run this just a wee little bit when I go to place my targets. Our reason I'm not putting it in there now, just in case we get some kind of crazy tweak coming out, we get a fast, push down, and we push past that level. I want to be able to get more out of it if it's available. The real high off music, you're short. Hey, are you short the M&Q or the MES or ES or NASDAQ? What are you short? Short ES. Dude, that's the stronger of the bunch tonight, too. ES is giving them the middle finger. Saying, ha ha, suckers. I'm going to try and push back up here. Let's go back and check the overseas markets. Did they get green yet? Aspi's a little bit closer, down 25. DK's down 586. Hey, HSI gapped up, only to give it all back. So gap and crap on the HSI. Yeah, scalp short worked until it didn't. Yeah, it's never fun being trapped. I think we've all been there. If you haven't, man, you don't know what you're missing. Wow, bullish as F. Katie, I just need a little pullback. Don't be scaring me with your model now. You need to tell me about your model once I'm flat. Not while I'm in a short. Maybe stop the break even. I mean, one of the other ways you can trail the market with the Rinkos is, let's say once you're getting a trade, just trail it every time you see a wick on the candle until finally you get taken out. The key is, though, you got to get a fast push first in your direction for that technique to work. Blew the live TPT and blew it. Hey, so if you ever get moved to a live account, you should take it slow. Just day one, just your goal is just to place one micro trade in, get out, just to work some of the jitters off before you start slinging contracts around. Because, as you're nervous, probably not going to perform the best. Yeah, stupid market. Well, hopefully it doesn't become a real stupid market. I mean, look at the ES. We haven't had a pullback. That's a pretty intense move up. From the close on Friday until the current price, 133 points without a pullback. We had a little sideways action. Ripped through all the untested point of controls. We have another point of control up here. 76.86. So let's see if we're trying to make it up there or not. Made 100K in one trade. Oh, wow. Holy shoot. Hey, did he end up blowing up or did he end up realizing those gains? Golly. Yeah, ES over the third deviation band. That's right there at it. I'm really wanting to short that BK. I'm not doing it yet. Maybe it has to get 76.46. It might. We need about another 6.5 points. Not looking good for my short trade at the moment. On the M&Q. It blew up a lot, but it doesn't matter after that trade. A lot of delta. All right, short term, we are getting into being overbought, but look at the delta. Delta continues to increase, so that's not a situation where I want to short it. Yes, breaking new highs. Yes, on the move up. On the move. Let's see that 5-minute FEG real quick. Yeah, we busted through it. You see, NASDAQ's not at session highs. Yes, is. Might have to short that. If you're going to trade multiple props, you probably have to use a trade copier. That way you can have one of the accounts in TradingView, pick up a Ninja and copy it across all the accounts. It's probably going to be the best way. Call a night and regroup. Yeah, good luck on the regroup. Hey, at least it's only a daily loss limit, not the maximum loss limit. That's the good part. Yeah, bad days get really bad when you copy. That's a fact. So, hey, when you copy trade, the good days are really good, but the bad days are really, really bad. So, be careful with that. Yes, still trying to march up. NASDAQ still trying to march up. Look, we're starting to get a little delta divergence now. All right, now we're starting to get the delta sloping down. I might take a swing at this. I'm debating it here. Study long, study wrong. Let's see. Are we going to get it? Nope, I think it's gonna get me. Delta came in right after I got in too. Garbage. He has to work on a 9 count in the 1 minute. So he has to work on a 9 count right up here. See the 8 right there. Work on bar 9. Let's see. Can we pull back here? Re-strategize. Yeah, blue 3 accounts. Yeah, when copy trading goes bad, it's a bad day. You amplify the loss, but when you're right, you amplify the gain. So a little bit of a trade-off. Is it worth it? Kind of depends. Where's oil? Oil's up 69 cents tonight too. Pull back because you're dead. I hate when it happens like that. It doesn't only happen to you, it happens to me too. Man, this thing is just not giving up though. About to close it. Oh, there we go. Look at that ES. ES 9 count still plowing up higher. HSI down 159 now. Hey, it did get the Cosby up though. Cosby is up 37. NASDAQ's right near recession highs. I just went short again. This is going to probably get ugly for me. Went short again. See session highs right up there. That's not good. We're going to hit that session high. I know we are. With the ES up here with a 9 count. Blue. I got a little reaction there. See if we get a reaction or not. 9 count over here on the NQ. But with the session high being right there, which I didn't realize we were that close. So I see my stop order and I see the green line. I'm like, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, definitely a strong up move. Look at the 5 minute. 5 minute, we've only had one down candle on this move up. That was right there. So definitely a strong push. We're above the third band on the ES and the NASDAQ. So we're in an area where we should get a pullback. Doesn't mean it'll happen, but should and do could be two different things. $29K. Yeah, we have a lot of gamma exposure at 29,000 too. We'll see if we end up pushing it. I wish I wouldn't have shorted that now. Closing it. Ooh, I wonder if they stopped me or if I got closed. I closed it and they filled me worse than where I would have. Joker, I got slipped on that exit. Wow, that's a pretty good move there. All right, new session highs on the NASDAQ. New session highs on the ES. Somebody's looking for ES 7646. Almost got it. Not me though. So I get back some of my gains on those two shorts. That was a pretty good move. They got some people on that little push. Ah, dog it. Hit the wrong button. That's great. Dang it. That's they're getting me on this one. They got me. They got me. They're trying to get me red on the night, green to red. Hey Darren, I bet you you shouldn't feel so bad now. Because not only did it get you, it kept on going. So good thing you had the DLL, otherwise it would have blew the whole account. That's a pretty big move. What's the range tonight? 182 points. Yes, about 16.75. Get rid of that fib because we went up higher. Jeez. All right, shorted again. It's gonna get ugly on me. Right, you guys are on the screen. Could get ugly. See if we can get down at 200 EMA. Can we get it? And we're way up there on the ES too. ES is above the third band. NASDAQ's right up there by it. Now I can't jump up here now, Katie. I gotta wait. I gotta wait for a pullback before I could get long. I gotta wait for a pullback. I'm down. I'm down now. Oh. What's oil? Oil's not even moving either. Oil's not even moving. Let's go check on the overseas markets. Kospi's up 61. Nikkei's screaming back. All right, so what's the dollar index doing? Not much. USD JPY. Trying to go back up. Not a whole lot. I got a little frustrations taken out here. Went short again. Went short again. Oh boy. That's a pretty good move up. And no place to enter. Paul, there's plenty of places to enter. Maybe not good places. Plenty of places to enter. All you gotta do is go boop on that button. Buy or sell, and you can be entered in right here. We're way up here in the bands. Very susceptible to a pullback, but doesn't mean it's gonna happen yet. Might want to stop me out one more time. I don't have the new gamma levels yet. We did get above that 29,000, so we'll see if they try to defend it. They try to push the market back down. We got a lot of gamma right there, 29,000. We'll see if they try to push it back down below it. Anyway, just smack it back down. Smack it. Smack, 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 smack. Come on down there. Come on down there. Let's get my targets. Please and thank you. Come on. All right, one target off. I should have took them all. I should have probably took all three of them off. Hopefully I don't regret that. Hopefully I don't regret taking all three off when I went down there. Yeah, come back, touch VWAP. Yeah, Raj, if I go with one contract all the way down to VWAP, that'd be fantastic. I just don't think it's going to make it that easy for me. VWAP's down there, what, 930? That's 100 points away. Oh, that's a good move from the low all the way up there. Now, ES has been stronger all night. NASDAQ finally tried to play catch up. NASDAQ's still hanging around, or Dow's still hanging around where it was. So Dow didn't get a real big spike on that move. Come on. Come on. Don't be scared. There's nothing down there but some targets. Come get them. Little scaredy pants. They're just scared of my targets. Scaredy pants, scaredy pants. You gotta crack that 200 EMA. You bounced off it right here. Came into it again. Yeah, it's not looking good. Not looking good. Should have took the money. I should have took all three off of that one target. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Greedy become the needy. Accumulation for another move up? Maybe. Usually after we get a day like today, usually the next day is more of a D-shaped profile. So we probe a little bit higher, probe down a little bit, and just kind of form a D-shaped profile throughout the day. We'll see if tomorrow shapes up that way or not. Come on. Stupid market. I'm not liking this. Making me a little bit nervous here. They're making me a little bit nervous. They're going to take my lunch monies. They already put me in the red. They let me hold their money for a little bit and then they took it back. Yeah, it's definitely a push. More of a push than I thought we were going to get off that low, but is what it is. We just got to come back here a little bit. Please and thank you. Pretty please and thank you. Pretty please. Come on down. Come on down. Bank of China that moved the markets. Moved that market. You tell China to quit messing around. They're messing up my plans here. YM didn't go up nearly as much as NASDAQ or the ES. I don't like that we're not really pushing out of my targets. Getting that uneasy feeling that they're going to get me on this. Oh, just intervene? So we have Japan intervening. China's intervening. Fantastic. Yeah, we had the GEX at 29,000. We're over it. We'll see if they try to smack it back down, hopefully. I really needed this trade to work out to get back in the green. Really need it to work out. I don't know if it's going to. Think we'll have a down day tomorrow? I don't know. We'll see. The VIX predicted that Friday or today was going to be a down day. And today was not a down day. All right, come on, you joker. That's SOB ticked right on me. Did not feel me. Hey, you dirty dog. I just peeled that one off. Come on. Come on. Targets filled. Oh, good job on that one, Apple. Here says in 2.51 standard deviation VWAP. There we go. There we go. I didn't get back all of the monies that I lost, but I'm not back at session highs yet, but I'm back at least higher than where we started the stream. So I went green to red, back to green, and back higher than the starting balance of the stream. So I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty happy. Yeah, AMD and SanDisk earnings coming out. Maybe yeah, SpaceX coming out tomorrow. Let's see. Watch, now we'll get the big dump. Now I got a little piece of it and it's gonna flush right down. I mean, you son of a beep. Let's see. 40 micros. Hey, Raj, short, I'm assuming. No, I've never tried FFN. I won't get one free. No activation. Yeah, Raj, I like the trade up there. After I just went green to red, back to green, I kind of want to give it a moment. I want to make sure I don't go right back to red again. We are in earnings season, but notice a lot of companies had negative reactions to earnings. I mean, I was already out of character a little bit on stream trading 3 contracts. So, I mean, it's not out of character when I'm not on stream, but like, I gotta get it back. So, you know, had to take matters into my own hands. Come on. Hold on back. Let's go ahead and just do a fib real quick. Of that move, how much will a retracement be? 38% retracement would be down here at 28,965. Retest previous day's high. Well, hey, don't forget we had that gamma, and again, gamma's not exact. You know, we're gonna turn exactly at that price, but it does give you a nice little area. Here's that big gamma exposure at 29,000. We spiked above it. We're trying to push it back down, and I am curious of something real quick. We go over to. And look at that. The call resistance, we go to back test. 79.5% of the time, that level holds. When it doesn't, we break above it. By the close of the session, 43% of the time, it's not going to close above it. So, yeah. Let's see. All right, short term, we got into being oversold here. See the green background. I'm not really looking to be a buyer there. Not really looking to be a buyer. You got that move? Oh, good job, BK. Hey, BK, you've been getting a lot of those moves. I've been seeing you chime in the chat. Yeah, good deal. Nice. Loving it. And let's go check on the overseas markets again real quick. All right, Nikkei's down 399, trying to come back down. HSI is down 153. And the Kospi did go back red. Kospi went back red. So I wonder if that's going to be the part of the D-shaped profile where we probed higher. All right, it's not really filled out that good right now, but just kind of stay kind of in this range. Maybe come down towards this target down here, hopefully. Wink, wink, nod, nod. Down here. And then just oscillate and stay kind of in this range for tomorrow is what I'm hoping for, but we'll see. We have a little bit of news coming out in the morning. You never know when Trump's gonna have that smartphone device in his hand. Get those little fingers activated and going on social media, pumping and dumping the markets. Yeah, I got muted. Got muted. But man, NASDAQ chart's not even moving now. And all the excitement on the way up, and will be an easy up, easy back down. Those VWAPs are pretty interesting. Or maybe a retest. If I didn't get smacked on some of those trades earlier, I'd probably be more aggressive on trying to trade it. But I'm a little apprehensive about it. Yeah, elected officials should not control the markets. Hey, don't worry. The markets aren't rigged. Just ask your local politician. All right, short term are coming in and being oversold. Right down here, they're smacking it right back down. Looking like a case of easy up, easy down. Let's push, 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 push. That'd be funny if we undo the whole entire move. That will be wild. Big run up. Smack. We barely broke above call resistance. Smacked it back down. And yeah, let's see. It's not his fault. The market's moving on what he says. We're going to kaboom them all the way back to the Stone Age. Yeah, band-to-band trades. We'll see if we get another one, Raj. We've had quite a few tonight. Interesting. Hey, Paul. See you later. Have a good night. Yeah, I don't know where he's at, Mike. I haven't talked to him. I talked to him right when we got off the stream this morning. Called him to see if he's doing all right. I didn't see him in the stream. He goes, I was in the stream. He didn't see my comments. I was like, oh, my bad. So I didn't see him. Are we gonna wake up? The market's gonna give all the shorts a big middle finger, or what? The $1,800 more to pass the 250 Apex eval. You'll do it tomorrow. Love it. Hey, Paul, do you like the bigger accounts? If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the Mr. Lucky like button. If you're struggling tonight, ooh, because you didn't smash that like button, I didn't smash it myself. I didn't smash it myself. Slacker. King Slacker in the house. All right, I'm going to be lucky 122. Golly. Slacker. That's why I was struggling earlier. I didn't smash that like button. Hey, John, what's up? You need a giant drawdown? Hey, Paul, but you got to make a lot of money with that giant drawdown too, though. The drawdown part's nice. I just wish you didn't have to make so much to get that drawdown. It's kind of hanging out here now. Not really moving here at the moment. Marcus had that fast run up, the quick little beep back down. Trying to wait and see, do we want to buy it for a push back up to the highs? Or do we want to smack it back down? I need to get one more trade in. One more winning trade to get back to equity highs. Gotta be a winner though. I don't want to go backwards, so I'm kind of a little bit nervous about my next trade. So you keep getting thrown out. Yeah, the base hits are nice. I want another trade. I just don't want it to be a losing trade, so I'm trying to stalk a good opportunity, or what I think will be a good opportunity. Maybe, yeah, I know. VWAP isn't that far away. Look, we did hit the 38% retracement, at least on the NASDAQ. Let's see this ES on that move up. Yeah, we already hit the 38% retracement there too. ES likes to do 50% retracement, and the VWAP is just below 61.8. So, but the ES has been the stronger of the two all night long. So, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, hey, Roger, I'd like to see a quick dump if I get in. Let me in and then dump. Dump, dump, dump. I mean, technically, I'm still in those micros, but I am down on them. I'm down 119 on those 3 micros. I ended up adding one when we spiked way up. Just got short looking for 933. I don't know. Maybe if we get up here around the 200 EMA, maybe I'll look for a little short up here. Maybe. Please. We got up there. Start coming back down the EMAs. I may smack it. I don't like how that 50 really curled up there a little bit, though. Son of a bit. Man, I think just started to move down. Just caused me to freaking jump in. FOMO'd in that like a son of a... Straight FOMO'd right into that. It moved on. Bang! I didn't... should not have done that. Yeah, chart's moving. Price going nowhere. You know what irritates me is the price candle don't keep up with the price line indicator over here since the new update. Since the last 2 updates. Since they increased the refresh rate of the chart, they didn't get everything to. They got some things they got to fix still. Raj said that China intervened in the yuan. So. Yeah, we haven't had enough of a pullback up there, Raj. That makes me nervous about the lower high. I found this Joker's gonna go get me. Pure FOMO entry. I'm gonna get what I deserve too with this. Maybe we'll get lucky. We'll come back down. Keep going down, maybe. Please, please, please. Could that be a little double top? Top 1, top 2. I treat it as such. Where's that target at? Target be down here at 951. 951. Let's see. I'm not gonna go for the whole thing. I'm gonna take it. I'll take it. That does. I think that puts me at session highs. I can't remember. I was up 7 or 9 before I went red. I can't remember. I don't know. Never re-enter short. Yeah, I got a problem with doing that. Got them always re-enter my shorts. First TP 939, running down 917. Let's get it. Let's get it, bro. I'm rooting for your trade. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Don't forget, guys and gals, smash that lucky like button. Keep on pushing down. Look, we did get the target. You got that double top target right down there at 951 and some. So let me go ahead and remove that drawing object. Yeah, draw down fear. It's never fun being squeezed. Can they keep on pushing? I don't know. NASDAQ's almost all the way back to the VWAP. What about ES? ES a little bit further away. Wipe them off the map. Wipe them off the map. Oh, wait. We got a deal. We got a deal. Hey, you don't even have to say surrender. Just, we got a deal. Oh, hey, these are good people. We got to go make a deal with them. Donnie always looking for the deal. Hey, Chris, see you later. What time is it? 10:23. Let's see. I'll see if they keep on pushing it down. I need them to push it down. My micro is still down. Basically, it was up a couple ticks on it. Down here at the lows on that micro, but not enough. I needs more. I needs a lot more. How are they gonna be able to push it? Short from 29,021. Hmm. Not the VWAP yet. Saw that liquidity on the ES 47.5, 50, and roughly 52. I don't wonder if we're trying to grind up there. This liquidity area right up here. These 3 levels. I don't know. Hey, John, see you later. Yeah, too early to the party. That was quite a rip up. 180 points straight up, no pullback. That's not true. We had a small little pullback right there on the 1 minute. Hey, Sinister, what's up? They're trying to shake the money out of my pockets. There's a trying. The market already got me from green to red tonight. I had to fight back to get the green. Do they keep on pushing? I don't know the answer. I just don't know. I'm debating on, do I really want to smack this? Smack it real good. What was it? 50% retracement on the 1 minute? Looks like a flush out to you. It could be. That's a pretty good little smack up they got. They got it going pretty good. Open up the man purse. Oh boy. Oh boy. Not that far away from VWAP. I kind of want to look for a little scalp towards it, but I'm like, no, I should have been holding for VWAP all the way up here. Maybe if we pop back up to the EMAs real quick, I might smack it. Try to play towards the VWAP. See what price that is. Somewhere around 934. Probably gonna be a slow move too. If it makes it there. Or if I don't get it, it'll be a straight line. Come on, get back to the EMA so I can smack it. Hey, Sinister, good looking out. Smash that lucky like button. There we go. We got about 50% of that candle. I don't know if I want to smack it. Sure. Oh, dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. It went without me. You stupid market. You stupid little market. I should have smacked it. Back to 10 minutes in reverse, yeah. That was a pretty good ride up, that we had. They smoked it to the upside. Really want to look for a little scalp down here towards that view app. Just I had a shot up here. I hesitated. I didn't take it. So is what it is. Or 34-ish. Nope. Gonna get me. I'm closing it. Closing it, save a couple ticks. This I would have been wrong. So I saved a couple ticks on getting out early, not a huge savings. Oh well. I don't want to close. I want to close at session highs for the night for my account. Hate closing off session highs. Hate it. Looking become a gold baron. Oh, come on. Trying to get my mouse back over to the buttons up here. And too late to the body. Looking for longs for sure. Let's see if we can get down there. Again, that view app's around 34, so I'm front running that view app over here in the 1 minute. Right here being the view app. Let's see if we can make it down there. Hey Raj, good night. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. You're in at the very bottom. Oh, good deal. Complete destruction. Oh, hey, J-Loves, you have to go to Tradevate and log in and sign the documents. When you first log in, there'll be documents. You just got to sign them. So take the TPT credentials, go to Tradevate, use the username and password that Take Profit Trader gives you in the back end, copy it, paste it in there, and it'll pop up and give you documents you have to sign. That's probably what you're waiting for. Because account creation's quick. Like it's within minutes. You son of a biscuit eater. Oh, wrong chart. There we go. There you go. I closed it. 29,100, maybe. Maybe. We do have a little bit of gamma there. We have a lot at 29,000. A little bit at 100. A little bit at 200. A lot more at 29,000. So I'll see. Get one more shot. One more shot. If I get it right, it'll be worth it. If not, I wish I didn't do it. Hey, Neil, what's up? What's up? What's up? You need to just smash it for me. Just smash it to the downside. Mm-mm. They're gonna try to get me again. They's gonna try to get me again. They said, no, 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 no. We don't want to get that VWAP down here. Mr. NASDAQ says they're scared of that VWAP. Stupid market. I might have some more upside testing to do. I don't want to push it. Let's go look at the overseas markets. Nikkei should be at lunch now. Nikkei's down 421. Kospi's down 18. HSI down 133. That might be a bullish. Just want to see us come down and hit the VWAP real quick. Hit the VWAP and then then do what you want to do. Hit the VWAP. If you want to scream up, scream up. I don't use the Bollinger Bands. We're not at the VWAP bands, but I'm hoping for a VWAP touch. We rejected off the bands up here. We have not quite yet made it back there. And I could be wrong. I mean, first attempt was wrong. How many attempts did I take? 1 or 2? I can't remember now. Add more VWAP. Wait, Nia, I hope it gets on the VWAP for you so you can add. You can be out of it. No. No, Mr. Market. Dow's at 140. Not liking this. Yeah, it might not go to VWAP. Could be wrong. Am I going to get 2 green to reds in one night? Ugh, I hope not. Really hope not. Watch. I'm not going to be in this one. Watch. It's going to go down there. Oh, man. Stupid, stupid, stupid markets. Yeah, don't fight them. Don't fight them. Can't beat him. You gotta join him. I don't want to go longer here. I want to see a little bit more of a pullback before I go long. So I may end up missing the move. I really don't want to go red again. Already had one push from green to red. Back to green. Almost back to session highs, and now they're chopping away at my gains. Stupid market. Watch, now we're going to go down there and get the VWAP. If he goes down there and gets VWAP, I'm going to cry. You'll see me cry live on stream. Hmm. Let's see the ES. Where's the ES with the view up? That's even further away. ES is even further away. This Joker's gonna get it. I got a sneaky suspicion we're gonna get down there. The time I don't take a shot at it. They almost got me. Almost got me. I almost went down there. Shows all the goals and loss all the way to your live account. Nice. Not liking it at all. I don't know. They're tempting me in again. They're trying to get me. Say, Mike, sure don't want another shot. He probably says no more. What'd you do with Take Profit Trader? Why'd they ban you? You always lose money trading at night. I usually do good. I had a good run in the beginning, but well, I think I might have overstayed my welcome. Oh, your wife and yeah, might get you. Come on, push on down there, please, please. It's probably gonna stop me out again. Yes, on the 5 minute, it kind of looks bullish. Hopefully, it's not gonna squeeze the NASDAQ up with it. Yeah, stalls, breaks the momentum. I'm hoping this trade will just run down there. But it's not going to make it that easy on me. It'll probably stop me out and then go. Just hope we can come back down. We do got the regression channel sloping down right here. But when we come just right down to the view app, that's all I'm asking. Let's go ahead and just kiss it real quick. Get down there, just give it a little smoochy smooch, and then let's go right back up. Or continue down. I don't really care at that point. Just go down there, hit my target, and then do whatever you're going to do. I'll pinky promise the NASDAQ. If you go down there and hit my target, I will not place another trade tonight. Might be asking for a little much here, though. The market definitely slowed down. We had a little bit of movement earlier tonight. Then it just went skirt, put the brakes on. Came to a screeching halt. Interesting. Here we go. Here we go. Now we're talking. I guess I just had to tell NASDAQ, oh, it came to a screeching halt. It's like, what, you call me slow? You call me slow? Watch this. You're out. Both be billionaires. Come on. You only got to go down about another, what, 30 points, 40 points, 30 points? 40 points to be better. I guarantee I'll be filled. Come on. Come on. With updating the dashboard now? All right. Come on. Get it. Get it. Get it. Please. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm not right yet though. I haven't closed it. I'm hoping I'm going to be right. I'm hoping this regression channel, we're going to come all the way down to the bottom of it, which will be enough to hit that VWAP. Should be enough to fill my target. I don't know though. We'll see if I can hold it all the way there. We will see. Over here on the left-hand charts, a 1 minute. Right-hand charts at Ninja Rinko. Not time-based, it's based on range. So you can be in one candle for 10 hours. You can be in one candle for milliseconds. Add more longs at VWAP. Hey, Neo, I really hope you get the chance to add to it. For both of our best interest. All right. Oh, dang it. I was up for something. Yeah, Jay Loves. I might end up doing another video before that video. I got like 3 videos. I don't know if they're going to get a lot of views, but I think, I don't know, I just want to make the video. One's going to be on a little hack on a way to learn to read the markets better and turn it into a game. Yeah, Rinkos are just candlesticks. It's a bar type. Hey, so do you trade on SBS? Do you trade on Ninja Trader or do you have a different platform? There's a free download for the bar type on Ninja. I can give you the link for it. It's free. I have no affiliations with them. It's just something I use. Oh yeah, they're not on Tradevate, only on Ninja. So Tradevate has Rinkos, but they're not going to be the same. It's going to be different. Come on down. Come on down. Please. Can't TP can't TP now with only one contract. Please, 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 come on down. Ninja Trader is way easier on a PC. I'm trying to target right there, right in front of VWAP. I might kill it early. VWAP keeps moving, so I'm watching this line right there. It's probably gonna beat. Stupid market. Stupid market. I was up pretty good on that trade too, twice. They'll probably take my lunch money. They're gonna put me red. Come on, can't someone put a smartphone device in Trump's hand? Get Trump all agitated. Then give him the smartphone device so he can put out a tweet that sends the market lower. Dog it. Yeah, I was up good on that trade too. I was up good on it. I should have taken it. See profit, take profit. Oh, nice. I'm closing it. Closing it. So right now I'm down for the stream. Down on the stream. Not down for the night, but down on the stream. I think it was up like $300 when we started. Ran it up to 700 or 900 bucks. Ran it down. Ran it back up to 800 bucks. And I'm on the verge of going back red. Dang it, dang it, dang it. All right, let me go back and check the overseas markets. Let's make sure they're not flying around. Kospi's not really moving. HSI is down 144 and Nikkei's at lunch. So just gotta hurry up and wait. Stupid market. Big bullish coming now, maybe. Still think we're gonna hit that view up at some point. Still think we're gonna get it. Yes, a little bit further away. Got some FEGs down there on 940, which kind of around that target I was targeting, but you got some FEGs above us too. Which ones get hit first? That'd be the $1 million question. They're trying to tip me another short. I don't want to do it. I don't want to go red. Don't want to go red. I don't like when the market's moving slowly. They're gonna try to pick my pockets. I don't want my pockets picked. Probably should just go long right here. Got the emails, cross bullish, just go long, see if we can go ahead and push right back up towards session highs. That's a thought. Don't know that I'm going to take it though. Yeah, nothing great after midnight. Yeah, but now they got me way off session highs. Don't like closing below session highs. At all. At all. I was hoping to get 1K tonight, but it's not looking like that's going to work out. It's not looking like that's going to be my my outcome, unfortunately. No, I was up 900. So I thought I was like, I might be able to push 1K tonight. I wasn't thinking 1K originally. I was thinking 1K after I was already up 900. 900 something. I was like, oh, I can probably get 1K tonight. And then it went, boom, went red, got it back, and then went trying to go red again. Not really trying, but you know, it seems like that's the course I'm on. And we have these 2 pointy controls up here too. It's like, dang it. Yes, yeah, yes isn't far from all-time highs. I won't be surprised if we do hit all-time highs. But what about the gap? How long do you guys think it's going to take before we fill the gaps from last night? Do they ever get filled? Never fails. Risk it for the biscuit. It never fails. 60% of the time, it never fails. There's a tab right down here. Got little tabs at the bottom of the screen. I think you guys can see it, right? Oh, you can't see it. It's cut off. Ew. Well, I got little tabs down here. It won't let me get the chart up. Ugh. Ugh, there we go. These little tabs down here. So. I really want to. Probably shouldn't do it. Yeah, I don't know if jolts will be enough of a market moving event. Now, Friday's news is going to be pretty big. I don't know about jolts. I don't know if jolts has enough jolt in it to really juice these markets. All right, F it. I'm in it again. We're either going to be green or we're going to be red. I say we, I mean me. Do not follow my trades. You'll get wrecked. All right. Full ported back on one mini. Oh, man. Remember, I was up quite a bit when we came down here. Like $400 something. I didn't take it. Came back up. Ended up being at L. Goes all the way down my target. I'd be close. Close to session high if it makes it all the way down there. Hey, trading game, good morning. Yeah, well, usually after a big move up like we had today, normally the next day will be a D-shaped profile. We just kind of go back and forth a little bit, probe a little bit higher, come back down. So we're kind of falling in line with that. That's why I keep wanting to fade this. Another reason why I keep wanting to fade it. But the problem is I'm going for such a big move. So, Island blessings from Bermuda. Hey, what's up? What's up? Where we're at on the NQ. Price point wise, we're at 28,970 ish. If we go and we look on the 4 hour, we've had a pretty good push up. Pretty good push up. 30 minute, we pushed above today's high. And we're basically flirting right around with Right around, very close to where today's session high was. So pretty darn close. No, I'm short. I'm short right now. I am short. I'm probably gonna get stopped out again. Oh, it's gonna put me in the red. You stupid market. I just don't want to push this bad boy down. They don't want to push it down. Interesting. Stupid market. Can somebody call up the market manipulators and tell them I need the markets to go lower, please? Please and thank you. Just for a little push down. Just hit my target, then they can run it up. Hey, Neo, you still in the trade? You still in the trade, or did you TP out? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, while you're on the phone. Hey, we can go up afterwards. We got to go down and get my target first. I asked first. I don't think it's going to work. Oh, you switched? Uh-oh. So you're short, Neo? Red for the second time tonight. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Not what I wanted. Not what I wanted at all. Huh. What was your stop loss? Still think we want to go down towards that VWAP. Market's just being stingy right now. Still think we want down there. I don't know if I want to take another swing at it, though. Down 127 on the night. I don't know if I want to take another swing at it. I do, but I don't. I don't know. They're trying to get me back in again. I gotta stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Yeah, market's gonna make you sweat. I'll just turn on the AC in the room. Tell market no sweat in here, baby. I don't go to sleep. I'll be up all night, all day. I sleep Friday after 5 p.m. I sleep the whole weekend, Friday, 5 p.m. until about 15 minutes before the market opens on Sunday. Oh, man. See you tomorrow, Mike. Watch, we're going to get on that freaking target. Now that I'm not in it, watch, we're going to flush on that effing target. Stupid. It's not fair. It's not fair. Somebody called the market manipulators a little bit too late. You waited for me to get stopped out before you called them. Shame on you. You enjoy fishing on the weekend? Yeah, I went riding my e-foil on Saturday morning. Took my daughter out. We're riding it together. Pretty fun. Hey, so we actually got the regression channel sloping upward now. A little sloping upward going. We're at the lower channel. Watch. Are we going to flush now and go bink? Says, oh, where you at, Mike? We got your target. Where you at? Account's active now. Nice, J Loves. Hey, don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. The first day is usually a little rough. First day of a new eval or once you get funded. Because everyone gets so excited about hurrying up trading the new eval. Then they torch it. Yeah, for sure, stupid market. I'm like, you know what? Even if we got into 40, if I short it here, there's still a little bit on it, but it's gonna go down there. Had the right idea, just could not hold it out. As far as the ES from VWAP, ES is a little bit further to drop. Get down the VWAP. Let's see if they're going to push it. If it goes all the way down to 40, I'm going to be very upset. Very, very upset. I mean, I had the right idea. Wrong execution on the idea. The timing is terrible. That's the way I feel sometimes. Sometimes I'm on point. Sometimes, you have the right idea. It's just the time and the execution is just not there. Ooh, I almost just smashed it again. I almost just pushed that button. Ooh, they almost got me to push it. I was looking at the ES on the 5 minute. I'm like, man, ES kind of looks like it wants to roll over here a little bit. Maybe I'll push that NASDAQ down with it. Look at ES 5 minute. That looks like we want to break here. We'll have a little ABC pattern down. A to B equals C to D. 76.36 would be the target. Man. That's really disheartening. I can't even believe they're just going to do me dirty like that. They're going to do me dirty. Look, I was trying to get out at 940. We're going to go down there. Stupid. I'm not going to FOMO into it either. Not going to do it. 895 in play. Could be. And if we look at the volume profile levels, I still think that tonight, tomorrow, might be in London or something like that, we come down towards 783. And then we'll see if we hold this and flush back up or not. We need to adjust this fib right here as we went higher. 38% retracement now matches up very closely to that level. We had some gamma exposure just below that at about 750. So sell low, sell lower. You mean sell low, buy lower? Need to smash it. Smash it real good. You buy high, sell low a lot. Hey, Brad. Hey, here's the good news, though. You only have to make one change to really change your P&L in a good way. You just got to flip that sequence around. So you got to buy low and then sell high. So just do the exact opposite and you're good. Hey, Lee, have a good day. Have a good night. Yeah, do the opposite. Hey, you know, I've tried doing that before and it still sucks. I've tried. Yeah, I've had some bad runs in the past. I'm like, I'm just going to do the opposite. If I get a buy signal, I'm just going to sell it and I still lose money. Hey, Eric, I don't know where he's at tonight. I haven't heard from him. Hopefully he's too busy scalping these MNQ. Yeah, flip coin guys. Hey, Brad, so I did a video like years ago, like over 10 years ago. I accidentally deleted it one time and it kind of upset me. It was my highest viewed video ever, even to this date. I accidentally deleted it. Look, we're breaking down here a little bit too. Sorry, piece of crap. Stupid market. Look, that target I kept aiming for, we finally got it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. That's cool though. It's cool. It's cool. But the goal of the video is showing people how basically a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio with a coin flip. Actually, on a lot of the samples we did, still made money. So a certain time every day we flip the coin, heads you bought, tails you sold, 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio, let it play out. And it worked out. There was one run that did really good. You have a coin flip strategy too? Hold on, I don't know where it's gonna pop up at. There we go. Bam. You got a 9 count right down here at the VWAP. What about the ES? ES has a little bit left to get down to the VWAP. Will it make it? Stupid NASDAQ. Oh, I had the right idea. Poor execution. I just couldn't hold in there. I got stopped out too many times. Too many attempts, and the time I don't take it, what happens? We make it all the way down there. Kind of funny how that works out. Kind of funny. Not really, but in a way it is. It's funny, but it's not. We short off the full moon. I like that NASDAQ on the 5-minute too, actually. Look at the NASDAQ over here on the 5-minute. You have the push down. You have this right here. I think it's a good shot. We flushed down even lower. 900 to 890. We might make it down to that FEG area. Unless I trade it. Then we'll just rocket ship up. The backdoor crap. Neo says, longing here. Yeah, Neo, you got your shot off that VWAP. I don't know. I've never used TradeC. I don't know. I'm not sure. Never used that platform. I know you can on Ninja. You can on Tradeovate. Top Step has the lockout feature as well. I don't know if it's going to crash. I was just looking for the return back to VWAP, which we got. It's just kind of funny. I had the right idea and I still lost money on it. So. That's where the cookie crumbles. We're not going to win them all, unfortunately. We can still try, but. Slow melt and slow pump till New York. Maybe. We got to deal with London tonight, too. Is London going to go firing off to the upside like our markets did? Oh, I don't know, because London traded last night. So Nikkei comes back from lunch here in about 14 minutes. Kospi's back down 97. HSI is only down 78 now, though. They're just reacting. Yeah, we got to get down in the gap. So the NASDAQ got into the gap today, just never filled it. The ES, not even close to it. Not even close. If we're going to fill the gap, it'd rather be sooner than later, but market doesn't care about what I want to see. Market's going to do what the market's going to do in the story. See if we can get a little push, push, push. Bookmap had lost connections for a minute. Weird. Manipulation that moved, maybe. They need to get the manipulation underway. Got an algo and a short in Apex on 20 accounts. Nice. How many trades did your algo take on average per day? Isn't that right? VWAP. Are we going to be able to break it? Can we break the VWAP? I don't know. I have a little ABC pattern up here on the Renko. There's the A to B. Projection would be 28,950. We've already taken out the B point right here. If I go long, it's going to stop me out. I know it will. Not feeling the love here. Stupid market. Freaking bid-ass lines. Freaking ridiculous. What's that price target? 50. Watch, it's gonna stop me out. Guaranteed. Oh, man. Rough night, rough night. 201 trades over 90 days. That's not bad. Oh, there we go. Hey, there we go. That got me back in the green. Back in the green. Hmm. Well, I'm in Florida. Florida. So again, we did smash that ABC target. I guess I'm glad I took the trade. At least it got me back in the green, not by a whole bunch. At least it got me back in the green on that. Let's see. Are we gonna push? Are we gonna sell? They're Ninja Rinko bars, so a little bit different than normal Rinkos. And what that means is the open of the candle is actually a false open. It's not truly where price is. Because I hope you identify a price a little bit better. Just be aware of that. But my setting is a 6-3. 6 for the brick size, 3 for the trend threshold. So the opens are not real opens of the candles. They do it to smooth out the trend of it. If you notice, most Rinkos, there'll be brick on top of brick. If I zoom this up, each Rinko opens up in the middle of the other Rinko. Just to kind of give you a better, to be able to identify the trend a little bit better. So. Candles tell story, wicks tell the damage. Yeah. For a trade show for your business. Hey, are you going to Gaylord Palms in Orlando for the trade show? Is that where you're going? Yeah, I don't know where that's at. What I was thinking about is actually right before Orlando. A nice little pump right back up. Hey, Neo, you should be doing good. Neo should be killing it in the trade. Marcus just taking my lunch money tonight. St. John's versus Sarasota. Ticket noise is the Bookmap aggressive buyers. So if the meter gets above 80, 81, you'll hear it. Orange County Convention Center. All right, that's not the one I was thinking of. Hey, what is your business? What's your business do? Watching Predator in the background. I thought it was my heartbeat. No, not my heartbeat. Medical devices. Nice. Yeah, I don't know that I'm going to trade anymore. I don't know that I'm going to trade anymore tonight. I don't want to do any more damage. I'm down for the stream, but I'm up for the night at whopping $27. If you move to Florida, you won't have to work. Why is that? Hey, Eric, I usually do decent at night, but tonight's just not my night. I got it wrong tonight. I didn't think we were going to pump up as far as we did. I'm still anticipating more of a D-shaped profile for tomorrow. So we could pump a little bit more, but I think ultimately we're going to form a D-shaped profile in the end. Oh, so your Cali house? Yeah, there you go. Hey, so before the pandemic, you could have got some good deals. And everybody moved to Florida because we didn't have all the restrictions. So, hey, good job on that TP and Neo, good job on that. Wish I didn't trade like crap tonight, but it is what it is. Not every day is going to be a great night. You know, it is what it is. We do what we do. Unfortunately. I would like to get closer back to where I was, but I just don't think with the price action we have, I'm going to be able to get there. Yeah, Cali is definitely not cheap. From what I've heard, I've never been there, but when I went to Costa Rica, the first trip I went by myself. There was two guys from California, and they were telling me, I was like, holy crap, at the prices. Yeah, hey, T-Coop, that's a fact. Florida's not the deal. Not the same deal you could have got 10 years ago. Laguna Beach, nice. Let's go for 100 million. Nice. Nice. For the Panhandle? Oh no, I live in the part by water. So if you look on the map, you see Florida, you see water. That's where I live, right by the water. I really would like to smack this, but I feel like right now I'm just trying to trade the P&L, and that usually does not end well for me at all. Yeah, get a boat. I can't afford it in California. Hey, so Jesse lives in California. He was showing me some pictures of the gas stations, how much they're charging for gas. I'm like, oh my goodness. Gas like $4 here. At that time when he sent the picture, it's like $8 and something in California. Lunch is $150. Well, hopefully it's some good lunch. So that's what you do. If you want to go on a diet, you just go to California. I can eat one lunch per week. All right, which day is it going to be? No, hey, Remy, I haven't tried Blue Sky. I have not. I've known about them for a while. They're actually out of Florida. All right, NASDAQ's ripping up again. Short term, we're starting to get to be... What the heck? Starting to get overbought up here. A little bit Delta too. I don't know. I'm a little bit nervous to place another trade. Look, so I said, I don't think I'm going to take it. A little scared to place trade. Goes right down. Hey, good looking out, Sods. Sods, hopefully you're going to hang out with us in the morning too. Hey, so guys and gals, if you don't know, I do stream 8 a.m. in the morning, New York session start. Tomorrow, we're going to be giving away a Take Profit Trader account. Oh yeah, My Fund and Futures probably has the best customer service out there from what I've had to deal with. I would agree on that. They're pretty quick. I would definitely agree with you on that. My Fund and Futures customer support is top notch. Top notch. $24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I don't know about that one, Eric. You're long here. All right. Let's see if we're going to go ahead and push back it through session highs or not. Are they going to be able to do it? Yeah, wait, that's what competition does, though. Yeah, Lucid has good customer support as well. That's what competition does, though. It makes everybody get better. It's better for us, the consumer. On the weekends, I stream the markets. Hey, Harry, so everyone get their fix. I stream market replay all weekend long. Let's go to 29,000. We're probably going to get there. Hey, J-Lo's, I have Tradeify Select accounts. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to trade anymore tonight. Like 13K. Yeah, I'm eligible for a payout. Knock on wood, I don't do anything stupid from Tradeify. I was trying to get a little bit more so I could push the payout up a little bit more, but we'll see. I should have probably taken it tonight, but didn't do it. Trying to get a little bit more. I really want to get 25K for my payout, but I don't know if I'm going to be patient enough for that. Yeah, I think so too. The no subscription, I do like that. And Lucid started that, so that's pretty good. What time do I start in the morning? In the morning, I start at 8 a.m. At night, I have it set for 8:30, but usually I'm on the mic 8:15 at night. They're still trying to push up here. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade this. Not gonna trade it. I'm gonna wait till the morning. So actually, I think I'm gonna jump off the stream before I get they twist my arms and make me take a trade. So yeah, Houston, we got liftoff. So I think I'm gonna jump off. I will be streaming tomorrow at 8 a.m. I do plan to do a Take Profit Trader account giveaway tomorrow. And so if you guys want to join during the live streams, hey, come out there, smash that like button, see if we can run that like counter up, and we'll be doing a giveaway tomorrow. So with that being said, take care. Have a good night. Hope you guys will come back and join me tomorrow. All right, guys. Have a good night.